This is the new multi-tester that is includes a lot of functions, like to test some sensors or actuators in the vehicle. Actuators like the idle air control valve AIC, like TPS Throttle Position Sensor, a lot of injectors of fuel, and CKP, that the cigueñal, and the MAC, multiple admission pressure in the vehicle, and some other things like volts and temperature. For example, this is the main menu that's showing the menu. We can go to the left or to the right to move into the menu, into the functions. For example, if we get to the right, okay, to right the position, we get in the first function that is volt. We can read volts between 0 to 30 volts with 3 decimal points. We can use this theft proof to check the voltage in the car, or any voltage below 30 volts. Okay, we can get out of the menu to push and get to other menu. In this case is the temp. We can see the two test proof, like check the temperature between 0 to 150 degrees, not more of that. In this case, it's showing the ambient temperature or 32 degrees. It includes decimal points. We can check air condition, we can check the heat of the engine, we can check any kind of temperature below 150 degrees. We can go out of the menu with just pushing the knob again. Okay, we go to right and we click the menu of idle air control valve. There is this kind of valve that use a lot of vehicles, that is used to regulate the inner air in the admission air of the car. We can show this the pinouts. We can get the Bosch that use 1, 2, and 3, 4, or Magneti Marelli like Renault that use 1, 4, and 2, 3. The 2 out and the 2 in. Just connect to the connector located to the right and use it. Go into the right. We can check injector, any kind of injector, just connecting directly to this alligator click, or you're using the original click that used the injector we can test, or we are going to test. Okay, just push and get into the menu of injector, and you can choose the RPM to test from 800, 153,000, 5,000 RPM. We can get the duty cycle of 50%. In that case, we're not going to check, and get the time of the test: 10 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 16 minutes, 36 minutes, and get the test. they return to the menu of injector. We go to the right, move to the right, and get the menu of TPS for Throttle Position Sensor, and we can check this kind of TPS or any kind of TPS that use 3 cables, 3 wires, just connecting to this and check it. In this case, just pushing and get the lecture. Okay, and that indicate a number and graphical mode. What is the position of the throttle? Getting exit, we can check max, because that is multiple admission pressure. Is showing like the TPS back for this kind of connector and this kind of sensor. Okay, the last one is the CKP that it is to show those 2 logical state that 0 to 1. Okay, that's the menu. We can get to the right, to the left, just pushing. That's a handheld equipment, very easy to use, not too much cable, and we can go to we can get into the car with 2 alligator click with the battery, and you can go to eBay or my webpage microautomatismo.com. Thanks for watching.